Hi, this game helps practice matching pairs of fractions that sum to make 1. First, you need to make some playing cards. You need to have pairs of fractions that sum to make 1, and you need 4 sets of each card. You then need to shuffle them all together. You then need to lay out 9 playing cards face up. You then need to spot 2 cards that sum to 1, and you can discard these 2 cards. You then need to replace the cards you have removed with cards from your pack. And you continue playing in the same way. So we've got 2/3 and 1/3 sum to make 1. Four-fifths and 1/5 sum to make 1. And you keep going till either you have no pairs that sum to make 1 or you've got no cards left in your pile. So here we've almost made it to the end. We see we've got 3/4 and 1/4 sum to make 1. And we're on our last card in the pile. And so now we clear the deck. So we've got 4/5 and 1/5, 4/5, 1/5, half and a half, 2/5 and 3/5. You can make this game a little bit more interesting if there's more than one player. You can see who can clear the deck the quickest, or if there's just one player, you can time them each time and see if they can get quicker. We hope you enjoyed the game. Thanks. Hi, this is a game for practicing spotting equivalent fractions. It's based on the Clear the Decks card game, and what you need is you need to make a set of cards with equivalent fractions on. We have made 4 sets of each card, and what we're going to do is split each pair so that we have 2 sets of cards. Where each set has 1 of the equivalent fractions in. You then need to shuffle each pack of cards. And keep the sets separate. Lay out 6 cards from each set, face up. You're then trying to spot the equivalent fractions. So 1 card from this set and 1 card from this set. So here we've got 3/5 and 6/10, so we can remove those cards into discard piles. And then we need to replace cards into the gaps that we've made. Keep spotting the equivalent fractions. So we've got 1/2 and 2/4. And you keep playing until you have no cards left in your piles. And then when you make it to just 1 card left in each pile, you carry on playing so that we've got equivalent fractions 1/5, 2/10, and We have now removed all the cards from the piles. We go on to clearing the deck. So 2/3 is 4/6, 3/5 is 6/10, 3/4 is 6/8, another 3/4, 6/8, 2/3, 4/6, 1/3, 2/6. And that's where the game ends. You can turn this game into a race and see who can clear the deck the quickest, or you can set target times for each individual player that's playing the game. Hope you enjoyed the game. Thanks, bye.